I'm excited for this, guys. I've wanted this gun ever since it was first released in 2018. It was only released to the European market, so it was incredibly hard to get to the US because you had customs, you had to import it, so many regulations and hurdles that you had to jump through, and not to mention it was sold out a lot over everywhere. But now it's being released to the US market. Right now it's on pre-order. Should be available, I'm guessing, by the end of February, so I'm absolutely going to get one, review one, make a full video of that, but this is just going to be talking about some specs. So if you are wanting to pre-order it because it might be cheaper, you know, it might be sold out as soon as it gets released, then this is kind of for you to get all of your information in one spot. First off, who is this for, really? Because if you think about it, the Glock 42 in the real world is meant to be a concealed carry pistol that holds about 7 rounds of .380. So that works great as a concealed carry gun because it's very light. The issue is with airsoft is you know you're going to want to use your pistol when you play airsoft. So would you want a gun that only holds 14 rounds? So I got two schools of thought on who's going to want this pistol. Number one is Glock collectors, right? The people that already have the 19, the 17, the 18C, the 34, they buy everything Glock, okay? And then you've got the people that have the real world Glocks and just want the airsoft version of it so that they can practice reloads. So then you got a very small sliver, I would imagine, who's going to buy this and actually use it on the field as their secondary. So if you're still interested, here's the deal. It's going to be a polymer framed metal slide pistol, just like the real Glock and every other Umarex Glock, really. Umarex is releasing some GHK Glocks, which I'm excited for. They should have some more recoil, but I think that they're pretty proprietary in their blowback system, and just upgradability is going to be a little tough on that, but I'm not really the biggest fan of upgrading pistols anyway. I just kind of use them as they are, and then that's that. I know people are gonna be like, what? You don't upgrade your pistols? And no, I really don't. So then after that, you're looking at about 300 feet per second. This is a much shorter barrel, so I'm guessing accuracy is not going to be brilliant. Now I have shot the Glock 19 and Glock 18C by Umarex, and the accuracy was not that great. It was okay, but for $170 to $200 and something for the Glock 18C, I would just expect a little bit better accuracy, and I hope that they fix some of those issues with the Glock 42. It does have a much shorter barrel, and it's going to be going slower, so I'm guessing it's going to be worse. I mean, unless they've really just done magic with the hop-up and barrel, it's probably not going to be that great. But again, that will be in the full review, which I will buy as soon as it gets released, and then it will come here eventually. So something you might want to keep in mind is that the magazines are going to be proprietary to the Glock 42. You're not going to be able to use your Glock 19 or 17 or 18C magazines on that. It's going to be thinner than those, and it just won't fit in the mag well. So that's a bit of an issue for some people that have a Glock 19. They have a bunch of magazines. You're not going to be able to use it with the Glock 42, which is a shame. But, you know, that's how it is with the real gun too, so it makes sense why they would do that. So that's kind of it for today. I'm super excited to get this gun, so go ahead and subscribe, turn on notifications so that you will be notified when the video drops. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all next time.